Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a workout in Rouvy. So let's get straight into it. Now we are in the Rouvy app. So if you want to create your own workout, it will be a little bit different process. So let's go head over here to the left side where we have this menu, and at the bottom you will see workouts. So click on that. And here you can already see your some custom plans, workouts that are offered by Rouvy, tre trending workouts, latest official workouts, training plans. So you have Team Visma, then Masters Plan, Climb, Conqueror, Unbound Ready, Back to Basic, and so on. And third-party integration, so you can if you have, for example, training peaks, you can import your workouts into Rouvy. Now here at the bottom, you can also see add your own workout. So import from file or create workout. So we will click on this create workout, but you have also here at the top this that you don't need to scroll down. So let's click on create workout. Now one interesting thing is that this will open in the web page of your rider.rouvy.com. So it won't be in the app. So now what you can do, simply just click here on this plus button, select the zone. So let's go with free, and then zone 3. Let's do some simple thing here, something like that. Then you can set the time here, how long it is, one section. Yeah, and then you can also set up here some power and cadence. You can also do that. Segment here, you probably already know. You can add it after it also. Then here you will name your training workout, uh, training effect you will put. You can also put here a description. Then you can also change the route. So here you have bunch of options then on which route you want to train. And when you are finished with that, just save to my workouts. And that's basically it. This is how you can create your own workout in Rouvy. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.